Hey everybody, and welcome to another episode here at Tribal Trades, the altcoin show coming at you daily, 6 days a week from the great state of Florida. One hell of a drug. And I do want to welcome you to the channel wherever you are tuning in from around the world. Thanks for watching. Today we're going to talk about the altcoins that I have been buying in this latest dip. There are 3 in particular that are in my portfolio and I feel should be in everybody's portfolio, of course. And we're going to talk about the giveaways. It starts today. The first lot of tokens is going to be given away, and we have more and more giveaways every day. We are going to give tokens away up until Christmas and maybe even beyond. If we have overflow in our bags, we're going to keep giving beyond that because you are such an amazing community, and I want to thank you. We are almost 9,000 strong. And I just want to give thanks and a shout out to each and every single one of you. And of course, before we get into all of that exciting stuff, you know what I'm going to say. If you're a regular watcher of the show, smash the like buttons. This does help get this channel out to more people and does help support the channel. And of course, the comments, the kind words and encouragement that people leave below. Thank you so much. You take the time to write that. I take the time to read that and respond to every single one of them. Thank you. Thank you. And those of you who ask questions in the comment section, I do get back to those as soon as I'm able to, with the emphasis on as soon as I'm able to. Thank you for your patience. Okay. And below in the description of this video, you might have to click the little more button to pop it out. We do have the Stocks with Josh Discord with the most amazing people on the planet, incredible people in there. I love being in there interacting with such an engaging and wonderful, kind, supportive community. I also have my Crowned Traders channel in there as well, where I'm sharing education. I share my trades in there and a whole bunch of other education and entertainment because I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is for education and entertainment purposes only. Are you not entertained? All right, so let's jump into the show. And first up, let's talk about the giveaways because we want to give away. So what do you need to be doing? First of all, you need to be following me, Tribal Trades, which is Crypto Coins 365. I've put all these details below in the description of this video, numbered down below, so you can't get it wrong. You need to follow me there. You also need to comment on this pinned giveaway video. And so we want to pick one winner today, and we're going to be sending tokens to that person today, as long as that person is able to get back to us in a timely manner. It will be today. If not, it might be another day, but we're going to do it every day. So that's the first thing. You've got to follow me and you've got to comment on that so I know what your X handle is. So you got to follow me on X. Number 2, you've got to follow all our giveaway partners on X as well, and they are all listed below in the video here. There is currently, I believe, 4 of those. They all need to be followed if you're not following. Now, if you're following 3 and not the 4th, you'll only be eligible for the ones that you are following. So to increase your chances, make sure that you're following all 4, okay? And then lastly, you need to be a subscriber to this YouTube because this is the Tribal Trades community. So you need to make sure that you are subscribing to this channel, okay? And that's basically it. There's just those 4 things. Follow me, comment on that video, follow all the giveaway partners, and then also make sure you subscribe on this YouTube video. And I want to let you know, none of these giveaways are coming to me personally. They're all going to wonderful community that we have here, just to say thanks to each and every single one of you. I've received no payment. I've received no tokens. And all of this is going out to people leading up to the Christmas rally. I really want to bless the community here. And so that is going to be absolutely amazing. Okay, so I wanted to get that nice and clear to everybody that you can participate. Quite amazing because the Sonic, which is one of our giveaway, absolutely incredible friends of the channel over at Sonic, they are giving away tokens. And of course, those tokens, I think when they first committed those tokens, they were worth possibly, because I gave the Sonic trade at 2 cents on the Discord channel. I gave it on the YouTube channel at 6 cents. And yesterday it hit $1.99. So those tokens have gone up in value incredibly, and I believe will continue to go up in value at all. All right, so we're going to talk about now the coins that I'm trading And we're going to jump into that first coin, which is Sui. And what have we seen here with Sui is that I just have the Fibonacci levels there. I have these grids set. This is like on my own trading bot here. And I have my grids. And as it comes down, it will pick up orders as it goes down, and then when it goes up, I will take profits. This is for my swing position. I'm not adding to my hodl position at the moment. I'm just adding to my swing bag. How does my swing bag work? Very simply, I buy lower and I sell higher. I don't panic sell the dips. I panic buy the dips. I'm like sniping those little things that come down. More like I have these pre-planned buys that are all like people tell me, oh, what did you buy in the dip? I'm like, I got to check my phone. I got to see which buy orders got hit. I'm not there, panic selling. If anything, I'm panic buying. When am I panic selling? I'm panic selling the big green candles. I'm panic buying the red candles, and I'm panic selling the big green candles. And so what I do is then when we come up to these resistance levels up here, $4.11, $4.36 was a real tough level to get through. You can see a lot of sell pressure there. If that kind of level there, that's where I would take my swing profits off the table. Am I completely closing the position? No. That's what I do with my day trade position. I just take all the profits that are there. So if I put $1,000 in the trade and this is sitting at 2 or 3,000, I'll just take the profit portion. So if it's 1 I put in and our profit is sitting at 3, I'll take the 2,000 off and I'll leave the 1,000 in. And then when it comes back in, guess what? I'm buying back low again, rinse, repeat, all the way to the end of this bull cycle. My day trade position, of course, I will look. Just yesterday, I had maybe 3, 4, 5 different, at least 3 Sui day trades, and really it was just on the day trades. I go to the smaller time frames there. I can drop down to the 15-minute time frames, maybe look at on the hour, and you just buy the dips and sell the pumps there. So when this one come down, I had an order in here, I sold here. Then we came back down to here, I bought here, sold here, and then we came back down to here, bought here, and sold around here. Not the exact numbers there, but that's basically how it works. And I'm buying here, and I'm closing the entire position. Buying here, entire closing position. All along, I've got my swing trade and my hodl just sitting there, growing and getting bigger and bigger as the price continues to go up. That's my 3-tier trading strategy, and you can learn about that in my life-changing game series there. So that was Sui. The second one, of course, was Tau. I kind of gave that away to everybody. I just can't believe that I got the other opportunity to pick this up at the 50-day moving average at $540-something. My goodness, I think if any coin, my most favored coin to do a Bitcoin and get to these levels of 90 to 100,000 eventually, it's Tau, because Tau has 21 million supply. Barry Silbert, who went in early at Bitcoin when no one else really was, at $11, and built the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust that was essentially then converted to the Bitcoin ETF for Grayscale, has now gone in with a Grayscale Tau trust. He also has a Grayscale Sui trust, by the way, as well. I do believe this will be one day converted into an ETF. It is a blockchain and it is AI. I'm very bullish on this coin. Anytime I get a chance to scoop up, I'm scooping up there. I'm doing the same thing there. I've got my hodl bag, I've got my swing trade bag, and I have my day trade bag there at the moment. And actually, this is I got in here on the day trade, and it's possibly that I've already taken profit on that one as well. And I am sharing these trades in the Discord as I'm able to. Sometimes they happen so fast and so on. And the third one is Solana. I do feel that Solana could get an ETF approval in January. Now, their approval date is 3 days after when the SEC has to approve. They're 3 days after the new administration takes charge, and I feel there's a strong chance that they do get an ETF approved. So I did buy some more on the dip. Again, you can see my levels that I have here at $201 did get hit there on this candle, I believe, $200.88. So that got picked up. I then picked up some more on this candle at about 205. That wasn't for my hodl bag, because remember, I got my hodl bag at $10, $12. I'm not going to wreck that average there. That's brilliant. And I've been taking profit up. I am like 2,500% up on the Solana trade. And so that hodl bag, I have been taking profits on the way up, of course, because I'm well past my 300 to 500% where I normally would take my original capital off, and then 10, 15, 20%. I take more as we go up there. But I have been adding to my Solana swing trade. Now, I'm not Solana day trading yet at the moment. I haven't opened up any positions there. I just kind of felt with Sui and Tao there was as much as I could handle at the moment. And so I did put, look, this is the 50-day moving average there. This is absolute, usually a pretty golden. If you haven't seen my how to trade the 200 EMA video, I do include the 50-day moving average in that. And of course, if we look at the 200 EMA on the daily, we are a ways away from that. That would be an absolute bargain if we got down to there. Maybe there will be one final flush out, and I do have a buy order sitting at around 181. I don't have it at 181. I have it at 185 or 183 because I want to make sure that it gets hit. And maybe now I should have one a little bit lower there at 173. You can see the tribal trades trend line that is there. The 200 EMA on the daily is coming up for that. And listen, there's no problem with having some cheeky bids down below. You just don't know if they're going to get hit. If you had a cheeky bid in for Bitcoin at about 90,500, that would have got hit on December the 5th on that big wick that went down, and you could have picked some up, and you would have immediately, as it popped up to 98, 99,000, you would have made $8,000 or $9,000 on that trade, on that position. So those are the three altcoins that I accumulated during the dips. There might have been a couple of others. I'm going to have to check my phone for all the records there of what actually got tagged. But those are the ones that I'm really got those three-tier trade strategy. With Solana right now, it's just the two portfolios, the HODL portfolio and the swing. And just to remind people, the HODL portfolio, I generally will take profits between 300 to 500%, just my original capital off the table. In the earlier part of the bull run, I may let that roll a little bit longer. And then I've got there about anywhere between 65% to 80% of the capital left to run. That means if I put 1,000 in and it's reached 5,000, I take the 1,000 out. My swing trade, if I put the 1,000 in and it's sitting at 3,000, I take 2,000 out. So I kind of flip the script on that one there. And I found that to be a great strategy because the market does range more than it trends. And you can see you can make money on these ranges. You can buy the bottom of the range, sell the top as it comes down. And if you're just making money on this move up here and you're not making money here, you're missing out on the bulk. And that's why I have my swing trade, which is for the ranging market. And I have of course, my HODL bag, which is for the trending market there, just taking profit on the way up there. Okay, let's talk about some of these coins, Sui meme coins, to finish up here, and let's see how their performance has been since we gave them. And this is the 1K to 100,000 challenge. You can follow along on this. I share the coins that I'm personally trading this in my cheat sheet, which is in the Discord. But you can also find my cheat sheet. You go back to listen, November 1st, click in one of my older videos. It will be, the cheat sheet will be located in the description. Save that link there because the cheat sheet isn't in the descriptions of my video moving forward. Okay, so the last ones that you can find are going to be back in November, and you can find that link there. But let's look. We've got Susie the Seal, and I do feel that an exchange listing is imminent. They are working very, very hard on exchange listings there. And you can see that this chart has been, since we gave it, my word, all the way back here. I don't know where we gave it. I had to change the Fibonacci levels, but this is one massive flagpole. We've got a flag here and a breakout. I believe we've had, a little bit of a breakout. But what I want to see here is a break and a retest of this 006 level. We will add some more lines here. And I will say, if you're late to the party and you want to still get in on these coins, I always just in case bag buy. Now, so what I'm going to do on each of these altcoins here, and we'll try and get through as many as we can before time is up. But I'm just going to share what I would do if I had none. Because some of you are saying, I'm too late, I have none. And how do I buy these? Go and see my How to Buy Sui Memes video. And of course, go to my cheat sheet. It has an incredible amount there's about 4 videos there on how to buy all of these and how to trade them and the charts and support and resistance, although I am updating that cheat sheet there. But you can see here, what am I going to do? I'm going to buy a just in case bag here. So I'm going to pretend I'm a first time buyer. I've come to the Tribal Trades channel And I like the Kiwi Australian accent that is there. And I'm saying, hey, I think I'm going to buy in on some of this meme coin. What would I do? Okay, so I'm going to pretend I'm that person. I'm going to either, if the price comes down here to 2.052 and holds, I'm going to buy a just in case bag there. And I'm going to pretend that I've got $500, maybe $400 to spend on each of these meme coins, maybe $300. Let's say $300. I'm going to buy a just in case bag buy right there, maybe of about $100. But then I'm going to have lower orders somewhere around these areas here. You know, a good area here would probably be this. It seems to be a lot of support there around. This was resistance. It flipped to support there. This other area here at 0.004, and then maybe I would put another one down here at 0.03 and then 0.036, maybe 0.031 or something. But definitely this would be the bargain zone right at the bottom here. I'm not sure if we come down here or not, though. This coin is really surging. And again, if this coin does get an exchange listing, I would expect another 400 to 500x at least on exchange listings, maybe another 1,000x from there. And I'm not saying that there's an exchange listing coming. I'm saying that they're working on it. They're in talks, and I feel one could be fairly imminent there. Of course, if I know anything more, I will, as soon as it gets listed on exchange, of course, I will let everybody know. And you usually know ahead of time. There'll usually be an announcement. So that's what I'm doing. I buy just in case buy. Now, if it doesn't come down there, if it breaks above here and retest, I buy and its support is here. Then we're going to have a breakout of this bull flag, and this could just go unless it's a fake out. But I would buy a just in case bag buy there. What is a just in case bag buy? It's just in case it keeps going. Got some skin in the game. Just in case it keeps going down low. I haven't gone too hard at that level. I've got some buy orders a little bit further down. One of the other ones we'll look at is Sujac. These are the tokens that have been given away, by the way. So you can imagine how much these bags that were originally given to the channel are worth since they were given back down here. So we have got a lot of giveaways to give away. Suijack is the next one. This is like the Wojak on the Sui. If you know the Wojak meme coin on the Ethereum chain, it reached 100 million market cap. This is tiny in comparison. It's already broken out of this flag formation. So where would I get my just in case bag? It would be at 0.0045 here if this holds a support. Now, it's if it holds a support. Obviously, if it just comes crashing through, I'm not buying my just-in-case bag there. I'm buying it here at 0.00004. I'm buying it down here at 0.00035. Wherever there is confirmed support, there I would be looking to buy. And you can see you can see my daily trades tab on my cheat sheet. I've got a video there. You can learn exactly how I trade these systems there. The third one, of course, we have is Sonic, which is absolutely took off like a rocket ship. I don't even have enough chart to show how parabolic this one was since I gave it at 2 cents. I'm running out of Fibonacci levels here, and we've gotten right up almost to the 1618 on this new Fibonacci range here. And of course, it is having a little bit of people are taking profits. I mean, if you bought a coin at 2 cents and you were one of the earlier investors, there is a little bit of profit taking there. And so, of course, we could have a look very quickly and see what dollar, if it comes down to that $1.58 region. If you don't have any, that could be a just in case bag buy. Obviously, if it keeps going down, you wait till you find support. And there are the levels there. $1.58, $1.44, $1.33, because I know some of you in the car, $1.22, $1.17, $1.07, which is about where I bought some for my kids. That's turning into a great trade. But it went all the way up to $1.99. That's turned into a pretty close to a 100x trade since I gave that on the Discord channel. And when I gave it at 6 cents on here, gosh, I don't even know how many X that is from there, but maybe a 30 or 35X or something like that. And then, of course, our fourth giveaway here is the new one, Capo here. And as you can see here, that did a 400% since we gave the trade on the Discord yesterday. So if you want these trades, you've got to be in the Discord. The links are below, and you can see, and I'll be adding these levels here to the cheat sheet because we are out of time on this one. But again, I would be looking at this level here, which is 20113. 20113. If that holds as support, If that holds as support, if it comes down, that would be my just in case bag buy. Of course, the real support that held there was the point 0008. So I would have another order there, and I'd probably have another order at this 00094. So 0083, 00094, and 0011 is where I would have my just in case bag buy, and then I have some orders lower down. Of course, if it breaks above this and retest this as support at 0.0012, then my just in case bag buy would be there on confirmed support. So those are the 4 coins that we are giving away. Those are the 4 X accounts that you need to be following, as well as mine, and subscribe to the YouTube video. I've given you a bit of TA on there as well. And of course, until the next episode, happy trading.